in previous tutorials we've talked about manual and automatic formatting. It was tutorial number 23 and 24. Now we'll see another type of automatic formatting. So first of all, we're going to take this table and copy it, and then let's take this table, for example. I can select by using my mouse, or I can just click on any cell of this cell of the table and just press Ctrl and the asterisk for multiplying. It gets the whole table, and then Format, Autoformat, and then I've got predefined formats. For example, you see like stuff like that. And then if I click on OK, it's going to apply the predefined format. So this is one thing you can do. So as I've showed, that there are a few formats, about 10, 15 or something, and okay, I'm gonna delete my own. Okay. So I'm going back and I'm going to create my own format. So first of all, start by applying the format you need. So for example, I want the table to have borders just all around. So there you go, you've got all around, but not okay, let's go like this and click format, border. So the all around, and I want something like this, and it's going to be red. There you go. And then I'm going to have the numbers here, let's say format cell, only these, have them format cell and have them with 2 decimals. And then first line is going to be bold, and the last line as well. And then I'm going to have the first line and every other line, so all the odd lines are going to be with a red background color, and the last one and the first one are going to be with a gray or something, or blue or whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my table, or Control asterisk, format, auto format, and then I'm going to add this format to the pre-existing list. If I press on more, it asks me, do I want to include the font properties or attributes of the table, of the cells in the table. So for example, I've got bold here, and then it's Arial 10, etc. So if I uncheck it, it's not going to take these properties into account. And patterns, it's either colors and then the borders and then the alignment, etc. So I'm going to add. I'm going to name it my format. Okay. So this is what happens, and then I'm going to take another table, and then I'm going to apply this format. It's called my format. Okay, and there you go. So you've got a new table, and you have an automatic formatting. So if I want, I can create a new extra lines. See what happens. So we've seen here that the first and third line are in red. So the question is, if I have a 5th or 7th line, is Calc capable of understanding that here I'm not indicating that it's the first and third line, but it's every odd line? So I'm going to do something like this. I'm going to select my table, and I'm going to see whether it's only the first and the third, or every odd line that are going to be in red. And there you go. So you see that it worked. So this is one way of formatting a table with minimal work. So you just create your auto formats and you apply them as many times as you want.